war on various fronts, the left, the terrorists, South China Sea, and you're now joining the war on drugs. How will the military balance all of this?
We have specific units naman that would address these specific threats. We have also a strategy that we will follow. So, cover natin lahat. Of course, by priority, siyempre, ang main priority namin is the destruction of the Abu Sayyaf and the Maute and other terrorist group. Secondly, of course, is we are back on war against the CPP-NPA. We have enough forces to confront the CPP-NPA. In fact, for the last 3 days, you can see we went on the offensive. We have arrested several CPP-NPA personalities. Kahapon, meron isa. Just this morning, meron another one. So tuloy-tuloy ito. And of course, the main armed group, the NPA, we will reduce their capacity to fight and their will to fight.
Secretary of Defense, sir, said he fears the Chinese might build on Scarborough Shoal.
Although may mga reports na ganyan, but right now, there is no construction going on, no reclamation going on in Scarborough. We monitor some presence of Coast Guard, Chinese Coast Guard ship. So, there is no alarming development.
Sir, just for the information of everybody, ang ibig sabihin natin kapag all-out war?
Pag sinabi natin all-out war, lahat ng resources na nasa armed forces pwede natin magamit. Even wala na kaming legal impediment because cancel na yung JASIC, wala na rin nagaganap na peace negotiation. So yung ginagawa namin before the ceasefire and the peace negotiation last year, we continue it now but with more bygone.
Marami nangangamba baka may collateral damage itong all-out war.
No. There will be no collateral damage. All along, we ensure the safety of the civilians. We always do deliberate planning. We will not target innocent civilians. In fact, they are the reason why we are doing this campaign. We want to protect the civilians, especially the what we call the isolated and indigenous people in the mountains.
So may mga reports doon kahit daw yung mga staff ng NDF daw inaaresto o nakakaranas na po ng parang discrimination.
No, that's not true. We only arrest and conduct surveillance on CPP, NPA, and their personalities who have standing warrant. Kailangan may warrant of arrest muna sila. Yung iba, we don't waste resources on other people.
Sir, the President also mentioned creation of the 4th Service PC under the AFP. Is that something you will be concerned with before you retire in October?
It has to undergo legislation of a law.
So it's not a concern yet.
It's not that concerning.